Hello and welcome to this video on circuit breakers. In this video, we'll be discussing whether circuit breakers are good enough, how they work, and what they miss. Firstly, let's talk about what circuit breakers are. A circuit breaker is an electrical switch that automatically interrupts electrical flow in a circuit when it detects an overload or short circuit. The purpose of a circuit breaker is to protect electrical devices and appliances from damage, as well as to prevent electrical fires caused by overheating. Now, are circuit breakers good enough? The answer is both yes and no. Circuit breakers are effective in interrupting the electrical flow when there is a fault, but they do have their limitations. One limitation is that circuit breakers cannot protect against all types of electrical faults. For example, they may not detect a low-level ground fault, which can still be dangerous. Additionally, circuit breakers do not protect against electrical surges caused by lightning strikes or power outages, which can damage appliances and devices. Another limitation of circuit breakers is that they do not provide complete protection against electrical fires. While they can prevent fires caused by electrical faults, they cannot prevent fires caused by other factors such as faulty wiring, overloaded extension cords, or flammable materials near electrical devices. Now let's talk about how circuit breakers work. When an electrical fault occurs in a circuit, the current in the circuit exceeds the rated value, causing the temperature of the circuit to increase. The circuit breaker detects this increase in temperature and interrupts the electrical flow by opening the circuit. Circuit breakers come in different types and sizes, depending on the application. For example, miniature circuit breakers are commonly used in homes to protect individual circuits, while larger circuit breakers are used to protect electrical equipment and machinery. If you're installing a new circuit breaker or upgrading your electrical system, it's important to work with a licensed electrician who can ensure that your system is up to code and installed safely. Additionally, it's important to remember that circuit breakers can wear out over time and may need to be replaced periodically. If you experience frequent tripping of your circuit breakers or notice any other electrical issues, it's important to have them inspected by a professional. One type of circuit breaker commonly used in homes is the miniature circuit breaker, MCB. MCBs typically have a current rating of up to 100 amps and can protect individual circuits in a home's electrical system. MCBs have two operating positions, on and off. When the circuit is in normal operating conditions, the MCB is in the on position and allows electrical current to flow through the circuit. However, if there is an overload or short circuit, the MCB trips and moves to the off position, interrupting the electrical flow and protecting the circuit from damage. Another type of circuit breaker commonly used in industrial and commercial settings is the molded case circuit breaker, MCCB. MCCBs have a higher current rating than MCBs, typically ranging from 100 to 1000 amps, and are designed to protect larger electrical equipment and machinery. MCCBs can be manually or automatically reset, depending on the specific model. It's important to remember that circuit breakers should never be used to increase the capacity of an electrical system beyond its rated capacity. Doing so can lead to overloaded circuits, which can cause fires or damage to electrical equipment. Regular maintenance of circuit breakers is also important to ensure their continued effectiveness in protecting against electrical faults. It's recommended to have circuit breakers inspected and tested by a licensed electrician at least once every few years. Before we end this video, let's summarize the key points we discussed. Circuit breakers are electrical switches that interrupt the electrical flow in the circuit when there is an overload or short circuit. Circuit breakers are effective in protecting against certain types of electrical faults and preventing electrical fires caused by overloading, but they do have limitations. Circuit breakers cannot protect against all types of electrical faults, such as low-level ground faults or electrical surges caused by lightning strikes or power outages. Circuit breakers do not provide complete protection against electrical fires caused by factors other than electrical faults. Circuit breakers come in different types and sizes depending on the application, and it's important to work with a licensed electrician to ensure proper installation and maintenance. To ensure electrical safety, it's important to use circuit breakers in conjunction with other safety measures and to maintain them properly. In conclusion, circuit breakers are an essential component of electrical safety, but they do have limitations. While they can protect against certain types of electrical faults and prevent electrical fires caused by overloading, they cannot protect against all faults or other factors that can cause fires. It's important to have proper electrical installation and maintenance practices, in addition to circuit breakers, to ensure electrical safety. Thank you for watching this video on circuit breakers. If you found this information helpful, please like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos.